Welcome to the Gogobot app. Today, we're diving into smart programming, a creative command center that puts control at your fingertips. The interface is split into 3 clear zones. On the left, the programming type toolbox. In the middle, the specific instruction cards under each type. And on the right, your programming canvas. It's super intuitive. Tap on the left, check the middle, drag to the right. Let's start with logic, the backbone of any program. If, do, lets you make decisions. Repeat several times. Do controls loops. Until, repeat, keeps an action going until a condition is met. At the bottom are specific conditions like obstacle detected, sound detected, touched, lifted up, or cliff detected. Stack them like building blocks, and your robot dog will act exactly according to your logic. Next up, actions. This is where the robot dog's full skill set lives. Beyond basic moves like jumping, standing up, and dancing, you can also set execution durations, add cute tricks like shaking hands or wagging tail. You can also drop in play for in seconds to bring in music. In short, drag and arrange them freely like building with blocks to craft your own sequence. Want to add more vibe? The music section lets you pick built-in tracks, or even combine multiple songs into a playlist. Drop a music card into your action sequence, and the Gogobot will move and groove to the beat. As for the examples, they are inspirational reference images that you can drag onto the canvas and modify. If you're not sure how to arrange your program, you can take a look at the official demos to get some ideas. Once your program is ready, hit the play button at the bottom right and your robot dog will perform your choreography instantly. Not happy with a step? Just drag it to the trash can in the top right corner. Gone in a second. Want a fresh start? Tap the circular reset button to clear everything and return the canvas to blank. Now, let's execute this command and check Gogobot's execution status. Touched. Wag tail 3 times. Then play song. What script will your robot dog perform next?